Texans, I'm Ms. Masters, your North High librarian, and I'm here to give you a brief tutorial on how to access your library account so that you can see what books you have checked out, when they're due, and whether you owe any fees. Staff and faculty, please know that all of this applies to you too. I'm starting on the library's website. Under the Our School menu is a link to the library's website. When you get there, I recommend that you bookmark it by clicking the star in the URL bar, where my cursor is right now, next to the website's address. This will save the library's website to your school profile so that you can go directly to it next time, instead of using the two-step process of going to North's website first and then to the library's. On the library's homepage, scroll to the green circle that says Catalog and click on the pink Find a Book button. This takes you to our online catalog, which is loading very slowly, but which you've seen before if you've searched for a book in the library. We are in North High School, so make sure to select that. In the upper right-hand corner of the page, you'll see what looks like a door with an arrow pointing to it. Click this to log in using Google. If you're on a school computer, your school Google profile will probably pop up as an option automatically, like mine does. If you're at home, you may need to manually enter your school Gmail address and password, like you would when you're logging onto a computer on campus. You'll know you're correctly logged in when you click on the little person logo in the upper right-hand corner of the screen and you see your name. In the middle of the screen is a drop-down menu called My Stuff. You can click on it or any of the submenus in the drop-down menu to get info about your account. For example, if you want to know what books you have checked out, you can select Checkouts. I currently have a Chem AP book checked out, which is insanity. I would absolutely not pass Chem AP, even with the world's best textbook to guide me. Anyway, you can also see the due dates of each of your checked out books on the page underneath the title of the book. My Chem book was unfortunately due at the end of last year. I need to turn it in ASAP before its status goes from late to missing, and I'm charged to replace the book. From here, you can click through other parts of your library account using the menu just above the title of the checked out books you have. So for example, you can see your holds. Those are books that you've requested to check out when they become available. You can see your favorites. Those are books that you've added to your favorite list, usually by clicking the little heart icon. And then you can see any fines that you've accrued. If you have questions about your library account, please come and see us in the library. We're regularly open before school, during passing periods, at break, at lunch, and after school, but not during class time. Please remain in class. Thanks for watching, and thanks for being responsible with your library materials.